imifanekiso kamakhalekhukhwini yalesigameko. Kodwa ingxabano bese kunesikhathi iqalile ngesikhathi ongokudabuka ezweni laseNigeria kubikwa ukuthi udlakaziswe amaphoyisa.
They stopped me to search, understand? I did respect them to search. Then obviously he don't call his friend to come there also, understand? When the friend come there, then I started telling me that the car that I came with, it doesn't have a disc and tire.
Abada ubese balekele egaraji. Abanye ababili nabo abadabuka eNigeria ukukholakala ukuthi abafowabo babonakala bezama ukungenelela. Bencenga amaphoyisa ukuthi abahambise estation samaphoyisa ababeke icala ngokusemthethweni. Oyedwa wabo ubese wadutshulwa amahlandla amane kanti ke usesibhedlela kumanje.
I saw my brother was naked, so up to 5 or 6 police people are beating the guy. So I came there to ask one of them what is happening. Let us know how to sort this thing out. The guy started beating me also. So immediately I wanted to learn. He shoot me in the first bullet. He shoot me in the first one. He shoot me. So he affected my hand and my leg.
Laba Owesilisa abathathu kubalwa nolimele babese baboshwa khona endaweni yesigameko. Ababili bahanjiswa estation samaphoyisa eBoksburg. Bonke amacala kade bebekwe wona ahoxisiwe ngoLwesihlanu emuva kokuthi umshushisi ebuke umfanekiso oqoshiwe. Kodwa amaphoyisa asamile kwelokuthi awenza ngalutho ephambene nomthetho.
Our members, the sector vehicle in the area, they were doing their normal patrols when they saw this particular vehicle. They asked the driver of the vehicle to stop and they asked him for his license, which he alleged that he didn't have. The members requested to search the vehicle. On searching the vehicle, they found drugs in the vehicle. And a struggle ensued as the motorist. Then one of them, there were 2 in the car. One of them pulled out a knife and stabbed one of our members in the forehead. The member fired shots and the suspect was injured. The motorist then called his other colleagues and they tried to attack the police.
Uphiko oluphenya izenzo zamaphoyisa i-Independent Police Investigative Directorate ithi kumele izisulu zivulela amaphoyisa icala kuqala ngaphambi kokuthi yona iphenye.